Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have shown you about variables, right? We have seen how to assign values to the variables, that is we can assign values to the variables by equal to operator. But what is here, we know that in this statement x is the variable, right? But what is the value? 10. We have 10 here. What is that? This is the data you assign to a particular variable to work on your program. Now, in today's video, we shall see how many different types of data you can assign in your Python program and what are those names. Not only in Python, to learn any programming knowledge, any programming language, it is important to have knowledge about different data types. Okay. Now let me go into my notepad. First of all, what are the different data types we have? Firstly, we have string. It is recognized as str in Python for text data type. Okay. Then we have some numeric data types. They are one int, float, and complex. We shall learn about these data types in my next videos. For now, let us just know their names, okay? And then we also have sequence data types like list, tuple, and range. Range is actually a function. I will also tell you about that in my next videos, okay? Now we also have set types, set and frozen set. And at last we have dictionary. What is dictionary? Don't get confused by the word dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a mapping data type. For example, if you want to give name is equals to some John and his ID is some 10, okay? You want this to be in the same variable, these two values to be in the same variable. Then how can you do it? You can do it by using dictionary, okay? We shall see it in my next videos. For now, let us understand briefly about data types. Here I have assigned the value 10 to the variable x. Now, I don't know what type of data it is. If I want to know the type of any variable, just print type of x. Sorry. Make sure that the variable is always within parents, okay? Now let me run my program. Yeah, class int. X is of type int, okay? Now, how can we set the particular data type to a variable? In my previous video, I have told you that you need not specify any particular data type. You need not explicitly declare the data type of a variable in Python, right? By seeing the value itself, the Python interpreter understands the data type of a particular variable. Now, what if I want here the type of x is int, but I want it to be in the form of string for any reasons. How can I do it? Just type x is equals to string of x. Now again run your program, class string. Okay, so you can convert your variables to different data types by using some keywords. To convert into string, you can use str, and to convert into list, you can use list keyword. But make sure that the data you have matches with the particular data type you want to convert. Okay, that's all for today. In my tomorrow's video, I'll show you about different data types. That is, we shall learn about strings and numeric data types. Okay, bye.